Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Every one of us wants to be successful in life. Now, if you ask me what is success, success might be different to different people. For some, gaining a lot of money might be successful. For some, having a good name, fame, post might be successful. For some, getting a good job might be successful. For some, feeling happy and joyful might be success. So success, you are knowing, it differs from person to person. But there are some rules, and if you follow these rules, success will be yours. So today let us look at these rules. First is, don't sit quiet, because life is a gift. God has given us these gifts. That is why we should not waste time just sitting, just doing nothing. Second thing is, we should have aim, we should have goal, we should have dreams. And we should always work so that our dreams will become true. So we should work so hard that our dreams will become the reality. We ourselves will feel, is it so? I was thinking and I have become that. So we have to work hard to change the dreams into reality. Now, see, time is same to all. All are having 24 hours per day. Now what we have to do? We have to make use of the time in the right way, in the proper way. Make a timetable if you want and follow according to that. If you are wasting your time, look at that, where I am wasting my time. So you have to see whether you are using your time in the right way. Because in all we are having 24 hours. Out of that, 8 hours we should work, 8 hours we should sleep, and remaining 8 hours is for our personal work. All our personal day-to-day things, you can use those 8 hours. We are having a lot of time. It is simply some people are telling, no, I don't have time. They don't have time, but just to scroll the mobile, they are having time. They waste their time, and that is why they say that they don't have time. So take care of your time, so that time will take care of you in the later days. Next is focus. Whatever work you are doing, you should focus on that. Develop concentration, because if we are having focus and concentration, we will be able to do the work in a better way, without mistakes. That is why we should focus and concentrate and then do the work. And whatever work we are doing, we should do one at a time. Don't believe in multitasking. No, it doesn't work. Then next important thing is, develop small changes in your life. And these small changes will bring a lot of change in your life. For example, being positive, getting up early in the morning, having our exercise daily. Like this, develop small changes, that is, habits. And if you do anything for 21 days, it turns into a habit. So, develop these positive things which will help us. And take care of your health. Develop good health. For good health, we should have good food, good exercise, good sleep. So all these things we should develop, because if we are healthy, we can do anything in life. If we don't have good health, what we can do? Suppose you are a good doctor. If you are not healthy, you can't stand up even for 5 minutes. What work you can do? No, that is why health is very, very important. So develop good health, and positive changes we should start in our life. Self-discipline, very, very important. If we don't have discipline in our life, we can't achieve anything. Getting up at any time, throwing the things as they are. No. Have self-discipline. See that how you manage yourself. Your remote should be in your own hand. So self-discipline should be developed. Getting up at the fixed time, going to the bed at the fixed time. So everything it should be. Then learn from mistakes. See, it is human nature. To err is human. Everyone commits mistakes. But what we have to do? The same mistake should not be repeated again. We should learn from our mistakes. At the same time, we can learn from others' mistakes as well. But if we have done one mistake, the same mistake should not be repeated again. That we should be very, very careful. And we should always make it a point that daily I will learn something new. Make a habit. Daily you will learn something new. Keep on learning. Daily new things. Keep on learning. It will help you a lot. Let it be new language. Let it be about technology. Anything. Learn something new. Even cooking. Learn to prepare any new recipe. Whatever it is. Learn something new. And never feel that you are a loser. I can't do this, I'm a loser. No, never think. Have the self-belief, I can do it, I will be a success. Always remember. And don't pay attention what others tell. You might be having people around you who will pull you down, who will tell you whether you have seen his face, how he can pass that exam. Is it possible for him? You might have heard people talking about you. Don't pay attention. God has given us 2 ears, one to listen and one to leave it off. So always believe in yourself. Don't believe in others. Whatever others tell, let it go to them. Don't accept it. Have the self-belief. Because if you believe in yourself, you can achieve anything. But many times what happens? We believe in others, but we never believe in ourselves. We fail to believe in ourselves. Don't do that. On the contrary, don't believe others, but have the self-belief. If you believe in yourself, you can achieve whatever you wish, whatever you can. That is why self-belief is very, very important. and be busy all the time. Don't waste your time. If you follow all these rules, see that a day will come when you will be a success. Your dream will become true. Wish you all the best.